Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going into Walgreens to do our weekly Walgreens couponing haul, and we're going to be using all digitals. I have a 7 off of 30 booster, $11 in registered rewards, and some points and coupons to use. So let's go. Oh guys, I forgot to say I had an $8 budget, which I already know I'll be going over because I want to do the tissue deal today. And that is the Bounty and the Sherman. Buy one at $4.50 times 4 times. Get a $6 register reward, okay? So I'm going to do 2 Shermans. Let me scan it first. Now this has to say Sherman Essentials, guys, and Bounty Essentials. So I'm going to grab 2 Sherman. Okay. And by the way, I did have a 25-cent off coupon. And let's see if they have the Bounty Essential. And, Bounty Essential. I don't know if that's it, though. I'm going to scan it and see. Okay, so here is the Bounty Essential right here. There it is for $4.95. Now, let's look at the ad so you can see what the ad says. Also, it gave me 25-cent coupon, okay? And here it is right here, $4.95. Buy 4 and you get a $6 register reward. And that is one of Walgreens deals of the week also, guys. So I'm going to grab 4 of those. Now this deal will be incorporated with my spend 30, get a $7 my Walgreens cash. Okay, let's go to our next deal that's going to be a part of our spend 30, get $7 my Walgreens cash. And it is going to be the Shea Moisture, if it's available. Okay, Shea Moisture is $1.99. Buy one at $3.99, get one 50% off. And we have a coupon, okay? So let's grab 2 of those. And we have a $5 digital coupon that I will be showing you. Now, guys, if you did not want to do that deal, here is another great deal that I think I'm trying to decide between the 2, okay? I want to do the Dial. And Dial is on sale for $3.49. We have a coupon, of course, that tells us if we buy one of these, we can get another dial for free. And we also have a great deal going on for IBOTTA. IBOTTA is going to give us $1 back for every dial that we buy up to 5 times. So do I mind spending that? No, I do not. Now, what am I going to do with my deal? Because we already know that I went over in my budget, correct? Here we go. We have 2 Sherman that we're buying, trying to balance them. And you got 2 Bounty Essentials that I'll be buying, 2 of those, okay? Now, I could choose to buy the Dow at $3.49 each. Use my coupon that's going to be a buy one, get one free. Then get $1 back for each Dow from IBOTTA. Or I could choose to grab the 2 Shea Moistures, which are $3.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. And we have a $5 coupon. Make both of these 99-cent together or 49-cent each. Now, the reason why I don't mind going over, this is going to be a bundle sale for me, guys. I am going to sell this as a bundle. So I'm still deciding. I might take the Shea Moisture and use the Shea Moisture on my other Walgreens card, okay? We'll pay a little more out of pocket for my deal because when you are doing those boosters, you cannot, I repeat, you cannot use my cash along with that because if it does, it'll wipe out your booster, okay? So do not. But this is going to be selling. And remember what I said, how I do my sales. 5, 10, 15, 20, 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 28, 28. Then I cut that to what I wanted, to what I feel like it's a going price. But with these being $3.46, I will only go up to $3, okay? So that'll be what? $26. I could sell this for whatever I feel is a good price. I'm going to also make money, okay? Let's go get our other deal that's going along with this. Okay, guys, I was on the toothpaste aisle, but it was a worker there, so you cannot, I do not like to film in front of them. I think that's just kind of rude, so I didn't do it. But let's see what we're looking at. So you have Colgate, buy two, get a $4 register reward. They gave us a coupon for $4 off of two. I'm going to get these for $7.98. That $4 coupon is going to attach, making these $3.98. And I'm going to include that into my deal to spend $30, get a $7 Walgreens cash back. Okay? Then I get a $4 Walgreens cash back from this. And I get a $6 register reward back for that. So, money, I will make my money back. Now, on my second account, I'm going to get the Colgate Total, the same exact price. And I'm going to grab the Homes, buy one, get two free, but for $2.79. So I'm buy one of these. And I'm going to grab one snack bag and one sandwich bag. Okay? Don't forget your freebies, guys, when you are finished getting your stuff. Don't forget them. Okay, the Colgate Total is right here. It's gonna say $4.99, but when you scan it, it's gonna say $3.99. Let me show you. And there it is. And then those, I have two coupons on that, guys. Yep, two coupons. Okay, guys, so this is important why you should scan. Guess what? This Shea Moisture did not attach. Okay, so I scanned it, and here it is. Did not attach. So we won't be getting that. Buy one, get one 50% off. And then the buy any textured hair. And see, it did not, you could get a free product, but the $5 coupon did not attach. So we will not be getting that anyway. So see, the app made up our mind for us, right? There you go. Let's go and replace these back where they came from. Now that was glitching last time I was here, so maybe the glitch, they caught up with the glitch and stopped it, okay? I'm kind of bummed out because I did include that in my deal, but I'd rather get what I need first and then be okay with that, all right? Now don't forget, these are going on. Guys, this was the best. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I am so in love with this right here. This is good right here. Buy two and you get a $5 cash, my cash reward. I'm working on this one now. It doesn't taste as good as that one, but this one is good. I love it. Guys, scratch the first dial. Remember, the dial got to be clean and gentle. Oh my God, I'm so happy I remembered that. I looked down at my paper and it said clean and gentle. So remember, you got to grab the dial clean and gentle. And this is the one that's going to give you the $1 back coupon. Hyperallergenic. I might can sell this with my deal with the lady that buy the all free and clear. I think that's what I'm going to market this one with her and see if that worked. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so happy I caught that. Ooh, I would have had people sending me messages. I didn't get my $1. Get the dial clean and gentle because this is the one giving the $1 IBOTTA back for each one, okay? Ooh, okay, guys. Ooh, y'all had me scared for a minute. Okay, let's go put these back. I said, when you're in store, don't be afraid to switch up. I thought somebody would want to see that. Look at that. Schwarzkopf, $5.49. If you could find some coupons for that, that's a good deal. I came to see how that clearance aisle looked, but I don't see. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Oh, it's heavy too. It's glass. That is so. It goes outside. Oh, look, it's a light. I like that. That's pretty too. Okay, guys, so let's check out and see how we did. Guys, so we are back from Walgreens, and this haul went very well. It did just like I thought it was gonna do. Knew I would go over. Okay, so everything came up. All my coupons came off. Look at that. Every single coupon came off. So I paid $16.77 out of pocket before taxes. Of course, I don't add taxes because Illinois rape us in taxes. But exactly everything that should have came off and everything I should have gotten, I did get. So here you go. See my balance. For earned this visit, I earned $11.38. Also, I earned a $6 register reward for the bounty, and 8 off of 35 next visit, 20% off 10 next visit, and IBOTTA is going to give me $1 back for each one of these, guys. I am so sorry, guys. I did not mention in the beginning this should have been clean and gentle. It has to be clean and gentle in order to get the $1 back. So what did I earn altogether? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. So I ended up making money. I'm fine. The extra money that I used, I took that out of my stockpile, which I will put that back into my stockpile. But like I said, all of this will be for sale. Okay, guys? Buy low, sell high. Do not price gouge your customers, and don't lowball yourself. That is always my motto, and that is what you should live by if you are going to get into selling your stockpile and bundles. Make sure you hit subscribe and like this channel and share, guys. Bye.